Welcome to your North Country retreat. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on 2.5 acres in the heart of Pittsburg, New Hampshire. Enjoy the open-concept kitchen, dining, and living room, perfect for entertaining, plus a generous mudroom to keep the outdoors where it belongs. A walk-in pantry adds functionality, and all 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms are conveniently located on the main floor. One of the bathrooms even includes a laundry area with a propane dryer and a relaxing whirlpool tub. Head downstairs and discover a basement with 2 roughed-in bonus rooms, ideal for storage, extra sleeping space, or your very own retreat. The home features an on-demand hot water heater, a propane Empire heater as backup, and it's fully wired for a generator, so you'll be ready for all seasons. Step outside and unwind by the cozy outdoor fireplace and patio, surrounded by the peaceful sounds of nature. There's a 2-car garage with overhead storage, and a separate 4-car garage, also with storage above, that's been previously rented out for added income. With direct access to snowmobile and ATV trails, newer vinyl siding, updated windows, and close proximity to Pittsburgh's lakes and rivers, this home offers the perfect balance of comfort, recreation, and income potential in the North Country.